Welcome back to the next example in the study of differential equation using direct integration method. Let's solve this particular problem as displayed on the board. What do you do first? Please, it's easy as your first is first, what we know so far. What I've been doing so far is to just take the x other side. So take this the x other side. That gives you dy is equal to x exponential x squared all over 1 minus exponential x squared. Of course, take the x here, move the x here, that gives you what you're having here. Your next task, of course, is what? Integrate through. Yes, how will we do next? Integrating through from here, integrating through, integrating through, that gives you the integral of dy is equal to the integral of x exponential x squared all over 1 minus exponential x squared, of course, the x. So if I integrate through, this is what it looks like. So I have this. So how do you integrate this one here? If I integrate dy, of course I'll have y, right? So how do you integrate something of this nature? What do you do? To integrate this one here, it's easy as my first task lets you to be this. So I'm going to use some method to integrate this one here. So how do you determine which method works for you? Like which method you use that works for you? Basically, it's experience. So the task now is that how do I possibly integrate this particular question? So my very first priority is to think which method will work out here. We said that whenever you differentiate denominator, right, and you can possibly have numerator as value, then use subtractive method. Obviously, if I differentiate the denominator, I'll have terms similar to what is here, such that they can cancel out. So in this case now, the method I'm to apply is subtractive method. So from here, I'll say let u to be equal to 1 minus exponential x squared. Du over the x here is equal to, we said, whenever it comes to differentiating exponential function, if I differentiate 1, that's 0, so it's off. Minus remain minus. If I want to differentiate exponential term, we said differentiate the power first. If I differentiate x squared, I'll have what? 2x. Then repeat the function or the question. Repeat exponential x squared. So if I differentiate exponential x squared, that gives you 2x exponential x squared. Make the x subject here. The x gives you du over negative 2x exponential x squared. In proper form, this becomes, this negative should come numerator. They have du all over 2x exponential x squared. All right, so the x is this value here. So from here, I will now substituting what do I get? So this gives you integral of the y. Integral of the y is equal to the integral of x exponential x squared all over, we just got everything here should be u, all over u dot dx. The x is of course negative du all over 2x exponential x squared. Observe that this one here will cancel this one here. So I have only 2 left. So perhaps this gives you the integral of dy is equal to the integral. This one gives you 1 over u dot, this minus here should be minus 1 over 2 dot du. See the same thing. Minus 1 times du gives you minus du. These two remain the same. So I separated it. I have this. So bring these two outside integral sign. That gives you the integral of dy is equal to, this one comes to the front, minus 1 over 2 comes out, integral of 1 over u dot du. From here, this gives you, if I integrate the y, I'll have y to be equal to minus 1 over 2 into, if I integrate 1 over u, that gives you ln u, of course, plus c. This is now equal to minus 1 over 2 into ln, what is u? U is exponential, sorry, u is this value here, u is this value. So in essence, my answer should give me something of this nature. Minus 1 over 2 ln, u is of course this value, 1 minus exponential x squared. Alright, then I have plus c. I can leave my answer in this form and still be correct, or I can say my answer should be negative ln 1 minus exponential x squared all over 2 plus c. This is how you solve problem under this differential equation using the concept of direct integration method. Let's solve other example in our next tutorial videos.
I just launched a book called The Shortcut to Academic Success. In this book, I share a lot of experience on how I evaluated during my time in school. This method really helped me a lot. If you're interested in getting this book, simply chat me up through my WhatsApp number that is shown in the screen. Alright guys, you can now join my channel membership to have access to exclusive videos of mine which most people will not have access to. To get this link, this membership program, as you can see the left hand side of the screen, you can see the YX/JAM classes. You can go there. It of course 1,000 naira, or you go for the other level student to have access to both. Right, so once you join the channel membership for other level students, you will have access to both the WAEC and the JAM classes with the other level itself. So do well to join this membership to support our online academic session. See you guys sooner. Guys, I just launched some courses on my website. These courses include physics tutorial for year 1 student, YX/JAM student, YX/JAM classes for JAM student, and also I have the organic chemistry for beginners. So these courses, you can get these courses on my website, as you can see displayed at the right hand side of the screen.